Hello ladies and gentlemen. This is Ashley from xbackuniversity.com. And today, in this video, I'm gonna review a product called the Devotion System. If you're new to this channel, welcome to go through the content of this video. Make sure you give me a thumb up. And please also visit the resources section below and get the free report guide we recommended. And subscribe to this channel for future videos. Okay, let's go ahead and get started for this review. The Devotion System is created by a relationship expert and dating coach, Amy North. It is a guide shows you how to find you true love and to maintaining a healthy relationship. This guide has advice for every woman at any stage in her quest to find love. From getting a guy's number, sending the first text, and keeping things sexy after children to preventing infidelity long term. Let's talk about what's inside of this product. The Devotion System is divided into bite-sized sections, which means you can read it and digest it easily. Inside of this system, you'll get the main course, which is in PDF format, 13-part video training series and 3 bonus ebooks. You'll also get technical and customer support. The first part is talking about the importance of self-love and letting go of hang-ups. It also covers how to find a loving relationship that lasts, that you can use over and over at any stages of your life and relationships. The second and third part of this system is wide collection of advice and information. As a relationship and dating coach, Amy also covers the information on male psychology, from common male fears and insecurities to their true sexual and intimacy-related desires. She also shows the dating type of man and what to expect from them. These advices are science-based tips. You'll learn how to texting, flirting, reading him, seducing him, satisfying him and more. All the techniques you need are covered in this system. What I like about this product is, it comes with 60 days money-back guarantee. There's no risk to trying it out for yourself. If you don't like it for any reason, just ask for refund. You'll get all your money back. What I don't like about this product is, there's no physical version available yet. It is only available in PDF format. So, if you want a paper copy for now, you'll have to print it out yourself. This also means that you can access to the program within a minute or two, even if it's 3 a.m. and you're lying in bed, which is a good part. Alright, that's pretty much about this review. If you got value from this video, please give me a thumb up. And if you like this video, don't forget to check out the resources below and get free report guide we recommended. And subscribe to this channel for future videos. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section below and I'll get back to you. Thanks for watching. I'll talk to you soon.